Standby to all stations, standby all stations. CQNet, CQNet, CQNet. This is Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet Uniform, activating the Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net on these link repeaters, 146.73, 146.775, 147.135, activating whenever severe weather threatens these counties at the request of the Albany National Weather Service. Wait. This is net control for Warren and Washington County's SKYWARN. Again, the call is Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet Uniform. Please remember this is a direct net, and all traffic must be routed through net control. Wait. So if everybody isn't aware, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning. The tornado warning is for southern Warren County and the northern Saratoga County. The storm appears to be moving from Corinth over towards Luzerne Hadley. No touchdowns or reported sightings as of yet. That's where we're at right now, so we are going to be in an active mode. So the repeaters are going to be used for the SKYWARN Net only. Wait. This is Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet Uniform. We'll try this one more time. I have power back at my QTH. Any station wishing to check into the SKYWARN Net, please do so now. Give your call sign phonetically and your location.
This is Kilo Delta 2, Bravo Victor Alpha, near the airport, Queensbury. This is Kilo Charlie 2, Oscar Delta Lima Mobile, and I can confirm the activity up in Corinth. I just fled Lake Sagandaga. Out. This is November 2, Mike Charlie, Mickey, located in Glens Falls. Out.
Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet Uniform. I roger KD2BBA, KC2ODL, and N2MC. Any other stations wishing to check into the SKYWARN Net, please do so now. Give your call sign phonetically and your location.
Kilo Mike Foxtrot, Queensbury, New York.
Delta 2, Tango, Tango, Kilo, Gansworth.
This is KD2DJU. I roger N2KMF, KD2TTQ. If you guys want to give a brief report of what's going on in your area, we'll take them now. We'll start with KD2BBA down to KC2ODL, N2MC, N2KMF, and KD2TTQ. Dave, you're hard to copy. Can you get into your mic a little bit more?
W2WCR Repeater. This is KD2DJU. I have no activity to report at this time. Over.
A good copy on that, David. Thank you. And KC2ODL, I did get your comment from before. I will take that one as your main check-in. N2MC, what do you got?
This is N2MC. Definitely got lightning to the west. Some cloud to ground lightning. A lot of thunder over there. No rain, no wind at this time. Over.
I copy that, N2MC. Thank you. N2KMF, take it.
Yep, my report is essentially the same as Mickey's. some thunder coming in from the west. Sky's darkening, but no wind, no rain yet. And 2 KMS.
Copy that, thank you. KD2TTQ, take it.
It's KD2TTK as in kilo. Still same thing as everyone else. Clouds to the west. Rain again.
My apologies on the call sign. I got it written down the right way now. Thank you. So we'll keep the net open. Again, this is an active SKYWARN net. We'll keep this going for, let's see, what time we got? 6 o'clock now. We'll keep it running for probably 20 minutes or so, see what's going on. If you guys see anything or anything comes up, definitely let me know. And we'll open it up one more time if there's anybody else who'd like to check into the Warren, Washington County SKYWARN net. Give your call sign phonetically and your location. Call me.
Kilo 2 Charlie Sierra, Glens Falls.
KD2DJU, net control. I copy W2WCR, I think I got that right, and K2CCS. Tom, I know what your report is. I'm not that far away from you if you're in town here. And K2CCS, if you want to give me your report, go ahead.
Yeah, we've got clouds moving in really fast all of a sudden over here, and thunder. We don't have any rain at the moment, and some lightning in the distance. But it's definitely moving in. The wind's picking up out here.
I copy that. Thank you.
W2WCR net control.
Net control, go ahead.
I think our weather report's going to be about the same. I would add that I did have a short power loss here for about a minute.
Yeah, I got most of what you said there. You faded out, your audio dropped, but yeah, like I said, I'm right in town along with you. Went through the same thing when I tried to start the net up, so hopefully the power stays up for the time being.
Yeah, hopefully. All right, I'll be clear. Listening on portable, WB2H.
Copy that, thank you. And if you see anything on that side of town, let me know.
KD2TTK, we just lost power here in Terrell Hills in Gansworth.
Copy that and noted. Thank you.
Net control, N2MC.
N2MC, go.
This is N2MC. We have heavy winds and heavy rain here in Glens Falls. N2MC.
You got an estimate on your gusts down there, Mickey?
Looks like about 15 miles an hour just now.
Is that 1.5 or 5.0? I couldn't copy.
Just now 1.5, but I just had one gust at 30 miles an hour. Over.
Copy that, Mickey. Thank you.
KD2TTK in Gansford getting wind gusts and hearing trees falling and getting more wind gusts.
Do you have an estimate on your gusts down there or no?
Nothing I can measure. No, nothing. Sorry, a lot.
Okay, no worries. Thank you.
Quebec Romeo.
I heard Quebec Romeo. Try it again.
Kilo Delta 2 Quebec Romeo.
Got it all that time. What do you got?
Yeah, Roger. I'm down in Wilton, Saratoga County. I got wind gusts
Over 40, heavy rain, what appears to be some rotation of the clouds in the sky. No trees down as of this moment, and no hail noted.
I copy that, thank you.
KB1AVE, mobile with traffic.
KB1IVE, go.
Location is Home Depot in Queensbury, and the lead edge of the storm had rotation in it as well, just as an FYI.
Copy that, Steve, thank you. You got any rain or wind or anything like that over there?
Intense rain, intense ground-to-air lightning. Just took a direct hit down here at the store.
Copy that, Steve, thank you.
W2WCR Repeater.
This is Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet Uniform, Net Control to Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net. Give a brief update of what I'm looking at on the radar here. The brunt of this storm is moving northeast. Let's see here. Bear with me 1 second. I just got my internet back up and it's loading up as we speak. I know you guys are seeing rotation out there. I'm not seeing it on the radar at the moment, but that can change at any given second. This line is going from just a hair south Albany up past just about to Ticonderoga, so she's a good one. Nothing out of the ordinary in the cells I'm seeing here, but she's moving along at a pretty good clip. I know Warren County is starting to get southern Warren County is starting to get hammered with all sorts of trees down and fire calls and all that good stuff. So we'll keep it open. If there's anybody else who'd like to check into this net, give me your call sign phonetically and your location.
Kilo Delta 2 Tango Charlie Alpha here in West Glens Falls.
TCA, gotcha. You have anything to report, or what you got?
Yeah, I'm over here in West Glens Falls, just behind the firehouse. The rain's coming down pretty hard, and I'm watching the wind change directions. Neighbor's flagpole is going, looks like west and then east real quick, so I can't see anything as far as wind direction in the sky, but I'm watching everything blow in opposite directions.
Copy that, thank you. Anything changes on your end, please let me know.
Will do. KD2 TCA, I'll be listening. Control, KD2
BVA, go. Dave, you're totally unreadable. See if you can find the sweet spot. Try it again.
Alright, the rain started here right around the time you started your last update, but I'm noticing that the warning polygon isn't on the map anymore.
Just canceled.
Yeah, I just refreshed my radar. I see it's gone. Yeah, Dave, if you're looking at the same thing I am, it looks like the brunt of this is just about over top of you, or on top of you. This is KD2DJU with the Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net. Net is still active at this point. We'll keep it open for another little while longer. It appears that the Glens Falls, Queensbury area has taken a good hit. I hear Fire Alert is going absolutely crazy right now with calls, and 911 phones are ringing off the hook in the background. So we'll keep it open for probably another 15-20 minutes, depending on what's going on the radar. KD2DJ, standing by.
This is KF2NV.
Go ahead.
A branch down on Catherine Street on the power lines.
Can you give me that location one more time?
Catherine Street in Hudson Wells. Branch down on power lines.
Copy that, thank you. This is KD2DJU in the Washington and Warren County SKYWARN Net. We are still active, looking for any check-ins, any location. If anybody would like to check into this net, please do so with your call sign phonetically and your location.
Repeater.
This is KD2DJU, Net Control, Washington, Warren County SKYWARN Net. It appears, according to the two radars I'm looking at now, this is just about out of here. Not quite, but the worst of it's just about past the city of Glens Falls. There is a section that's just now getting into Fort Edward. And looks like it'll just brush along Argyle. It'll go through Fort Anne and Granville. So we'll keep it running for a few more minutes. I don't think we had any check-ins from out that far into Washington County. But if there is, please feel free to check in. KD2DJ is standing by. Warren and Washington County's SKYWARN Net Control. This is KD2DJU, Net Control for the Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net. Active net is going right now on the W2WCR Repeater System. If anybody out there would like to check in with a report, please do so with your call sign phonetically and your location.
Yeah, this is KD2HDD, Kilo Delta 2, Hotel Delta Delta. Name is Bill. I'm in Gainsborough, New York. I'm 2 miles south of Gainsborough, New York. I just think we had a microburst go through here. The house was shaking and the rain was pouring sideways and stuff like that. I don't see any damage, and it's long gone, headed to the east. But it was started to get a little scary. KD2HDD.
I got you on the list, KD2HDD. Just as long as you guys are all right down there, that's what matters. And also, I'm getting word of there's power lines down on the interstate around exit 18, and they're closing the northway down. That's coming from one of my many other radios in the house. Unknown if that's northbound or southbound, but if I hear anything else, I will definitely pass it along to you guys. KD2DJU, Net Control, Washington, Warren County Sky.
Repeater.
KD2HDD with additional.
HDD, go ahead.
Roger, two trees, the tops broke off 2 trees and landed on a trailer on Apple Lane in Gainsborough, South Putnam Road.
I copy that, Bill. Thank you.
I'm going to secure. I'm going to have to go play fireman. KD2HDD over there.
Copy that. I'll show you secured, and please stay safe. KD2DJ, Net Control.
KD2HDD, KB1 over your mobile. You all set, Bill? W2WCR KV1IV mobile. You all set over there, Bill?
I had a tri-echo there. I'm all set. I got power out, and we're secure, but I got hit by a couple trees. Didn't get a word of it.
Yeah, as long as you're secure.
We're right. I'm going to go take a ride around and see what's going on. That's going to be fun all night. KD2HDD clear.
Good time for Intermod. This is KD2DJU, Net Control, Warren and Washington County, SKYWARN Net. Just gotten word that the interstate will be shut down, both northbound and southbound, between exit 19 and exit 17, due to a possibility of the either power lines or pole or both being down in the area of the bridges over the Hudson River. So if any of you guys are mobile right now and have to go that way, just keep that in mind. That'll definitely be shut down. Have to find alternative routes. And right now on the radar, we got a little bit stronger portion of the cell. It's just about over Fort Edward and almost into Argyle right now as we speak. The northern end of it, or I shouldn't say northern end, but a little further north into Fort Ann. There's some stuff rolling into there right now. It's not as severe as down over Fort Edward and Argyle area. So we'll keep it running for a few more minutes until majority of the cell is out of Washington County. Southern Warren County, Queensbury, Glens Falls area, just about out of the worst of it. Still some rain floating around in that area. Maybe a little bit of wind still lingering around too. So we'll keep it open for the time being. And if you guys have anything else to report, anything new or anything, any information you want to pass along, please do so. Just let me know. This is KD2DJU, Net Control, Warren, Washington County, SKYWARN.
This is W2WCR Repeater.
K6 NCU outside Warrensburg, just hooked my radio back up. Is there priority traffic on the repeater?
KD2DJU. Yeah, we got a SKYWARN Net going on right now. You're more than welcome to join us if you wish, and if you have anything to report, please feel free to do so.
Thank you very much. A little quick on the call sign, I didn't catch it, but nothing severe to report from outside Warrensburg.
Copy that. And my call sign is Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet Uniform. I'm also in Warrensburg myself, just outside of town here on the side streets over by Echo Lake. So things are calming down up here finally. I look out one window and I can see a little bit of gray in the sky, and I look out my front window and I can still see a lot of black. So we're not totally out of the woods yet, or this area isn't totally out of the woods yet, but we're getting there.
All right. Well, it's a pleasure to meet you. The name here is Brett, Bravo, Romeo, Echo, Tango. I check in on the weather net every morning, and I just, like I said, I just plugged in the antennas again because we had the front go through, I'm sure you know, and I'm just on the east side of exit 23 by a little bit. Name here is Brett, Bravo Romeo Echo Tango, and I copy Kilo Delta to Delta Juliet Uniform, and my call sign is Kilo 6, November Charlie Uniform. Over.
I copy that, Brett. Name here is Sean. And, yeah, I've heard John here before. I usually listen in quite a bit. So, we'll keep the net going here for a few minutes longer. And if we see any changes, or if I see any changes on the radar, or if anybody sees anything, please definitely speak up and let us know. This is KD2DJU, net control for the Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net. This is KD2DJU, net control for the Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net. Again, we have an active SKYWARN Net on the W2WCR Repeater System, and will be until further notice. If any station would like to check in, please do so with your call sign phonetically, location, and a report.
This is Whiskey 2 Charlie Delta Yankee in West Glens Falls / Queensbury.
W2CDY, gotcha. What do you have to report?
Minor rain currently, still some thunder and lightning. I would like to report several, I guess about 15-20 minutes before, we did have I think a microburst come through, significant damage to trees, leaves down everywhere, branches. Anyway, W2CDY.
I copy that. You are the second station to give that report of a possible microburst. So that is noted, and I do thank you.
KD2HDD with additional.
HDD, go.
Yep, we have 3 trees that broke off and came down in that trailer. There is somebody that lives there, but there's nobody in the trailer at this time.
Copy that, Bill. That's at the same location you reported before, correct?
Roger, 12-1-2, Apple. It's Apple Lane.
Message received, thank you.
KD2HDD.
KB2JCJ info.
I believe it was KB2JCJ. Go ahead with your
Just
info.
a couple minutes ago, I saw what looked like a wall cloud east of exit 8, and I'm currently in the rest area at Clifton Park, and heavy rain, lightning. Other than that, it's a fine afternoon. KB2JCJ.
That is noted. Thank you very much. If you see any changes down that way, don't hesitate to let us know.
Repeater.
BYD listening.
I heard a station in there. Your audio is real low. See if you can get right into your microphone and give it another try.
KC7 BYD, name is Ernie.
KC7 BYD, go ahead.
Yeah, what's the weather like where you're at? What's going on?
This is KD2DJU Net Control. I am in Warrensburg, and I have nothing right now here. The storm has passed over us. Just give me a second to refresh my radar here. The storm is still moving northeast. We have some more severe weather out in the, looks to be about the center Washington County area, Argyle, Greenwich. It's just gone through Fort Edward. Majority of this stuff is out of Warren County, just about. There's still some rain over the Glens Falls, Queensbury, Lake George area. And that's about it for the time being. What's your location?
Queensbury. I apologize. I was listening for a little bit, and I didn't hear anything, but it sounded like someone was keying up the net. I didn't know that, or keying up the repeater. I didn't know there was a net going on.
No, but that's okay. No harm, no foul. There was just some intermod coming through Birch, I believe, with all that racket. But yeah, we've I don't remember what time I started the net. I believe it was around 5:30, 5:45, somewhere around there. But yeah, we're probably going to wrap it up here shortly. But I will definitely make an announcement when we're going to close it down. Do you have any storm damage or anything like that in at your location?
Power in and out. You know, go in and out real fast. That was about it. I didn't see. I was looking for, you know, any signs of hail or anything, but we didn't get any hail, but we did get a lot of rain.
I copy that. Yeah, there was a real good amount of rain in this cell that went through here. I haven't had a chance, obviously, to see how much rain I have here at my QTH, but I imagine there's a little bit out in my gauge. It downpoured here for a good little bit.
Repeater.
All right, this is KC7 BYD. I'll just stand by for the rest of the net.
Copy that. If anything changes at your location, please feel free to let me know, and I'll jot it down so I can relay that info on to NWS Albany. Again, this is Kilo Delta 2, a Delta Juliet uniform, net control to Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net. This net is still active on the W2WCR Repeater System. This net will remain active for probably another 10 minutes or so. We'll probably call it quits at about 7 o'clock. When this cell has left our area. So again, if anybody would like to check in with any storm reports, damage, etc., please give me your call sign phonetically and your location and anything you want to report. This is Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet uniform, net control for the Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net. Still active on the W2WCR linked repeater system. Again, we're going to keep the net open for a couple more minutes. Excuse me. And according to our radar here, the cell is making its way through central to northern Washington County. Storm is still moving northeast, getting into the Granville area now and crossing over the state line. So let Vermont deal with the storm now. But also, the National Weather Service in Albany has canceled the severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County, which I'm not sure if that's 100% accurate because I'm still seeing boxes up on the radar. And some
nice red colors in the radar still over Washington County, so that could be fault, but I'm not 100% sure, but we'll still treat it as if there still is a severe warning for Washington County. This is KD2DJU Net Control for the Washington Warren County SKYWARN Net.
And this is KF2MV in Hudson Falls.
Go ahead, sir.
This is KF2MV in Andrews State. The fire department still has Catherine Street closed with a branch on power lines in the middle of the street.
I copy that. Thank you for the update. Yeah, I would imagine that's probably going to be closed down for a while. If those lines are obviously still live, yeah, Niagara Mohawk National Grid, whatever they're called, I'm sure they're out and about trying to do what they can. So that'll probably be shut down for a while.
I just give you an update. Have a good evening, guys. Thank you. This is KF2NZ.
Thank you for the info. It's much appreciated.
This is Kilo Charlie 1 Hotel Golf Victor in Poultney, Vermont.
Do you want to confirm call sign was Kilo Charlie 1 Charlie Hotel Victor?
That would be Kilo Charlie 1 Hotel Golf Victor.
All right, I copy your call sign that time. What you have for a report?
Repeater.
Yeah, about probably 20 minutes ago, half hour, we had a strong cell come through Poultney here, and I'm right on the border of Washington County near the town of Hampton, New York. And it was a good one. We had 40, 50-mile-an-hour winds, probably sideways rain, and we have limbs down and things like that. But it seems to be moving out. We are still getting some thunder and lightning over here, and hopefully that's the end of the bad stuff, though.
I copy that. Thank you for your report. Looking at the radar, excuse me, in your area, you are out of the worst of it, and there's a little bit more severe stuff behind what passed over your area, but that looks like it's going to go right alongside your area, probably not nail you too bad. There still is a lot of rain in the immediate area as well, so it's going to keep raining for a little while. Again, thank you for that report.
Okay, roger that. Thanks for what you're doing. Yeah, I took down my HF antenna, so I'm going to have to play with that tomorrow. Yeah, I'll turn it back to you. Thanks. This is KC1HTV, and I'll be clear.
I'll give you a little project for Saturday. Thanks again. This is Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet Uniform Net Control for the Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net, which is still active on the W2WCR Repeater System. This is probably going to be our final call. Majority of the severe weather has left our area, but if there are any stations out there that would like to check in and give a report, any damage, wind damage, trees down, power lines, flooding, etc., please do so by giving your call sign phonetically and your location and your report. This is KD2DJU closing the Warren and Washington County SKYWARN Net since the severe weather has moved out of our area and is no longer a threat. I would like to thank all the stations that checked in this evening, and I encourage all stations to be ready to assist when severe weather threatens. This is Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet Uniform, returning these repeaters back to normal amateur use. 7-3 all, good evening. Thanks again. And if anything else does come about later on tonight, there is some other stuff around the state that's still moving around. It doesn't look like it's going to be a real threat to us in our area, but if anything does happen, chances are it'll probably be just rain, because a lot of the stuff that's to the south of us may fizzle out. So time will tell, and I will definitely keep my eyes open, and if the situation does warrant a SKYWARN Net again later on this evening, I will definitely open one back up. So again, thank you to all the stations who checked in. 7-3 all, stay safe. Kilo Delta 2, Delta Juliet Uniform. We'll be clear.